Good morning, you guys. So I am pretty excited today because I got some Amazon package in. I am setting up my YouTube studio, so I received a couple of packages that I ordered about 2 weeks ago or so. So mind you guys, Amazon Prime isn't 2-day shipping anymore since this COVID-19 pandemic situation. So it took me approximately two and a half weeks to get some of these products in. I haven't gotten everything as yet, but the rest should be coming soon. So I'm just gonna do a little unboxing just to show you what I've gotten so far. I'm pretty excited. So I am just gonna show you guys what I've gotten so far and just to unbox it, and then as the other stuff comes in, then I'll go into more and more unboxing. But this is part 1 of my Amazon unboxing for my studio equipment for my YouTube studio. So stay tuned, you guys, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, give it a big hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I just got some stuff in from Amazon. I am setting up my YouTube studio, so I just got some stuff. I got a lavalier mic that I will be setting up, and I think this is a ring light, if I'm not mistaken, and I think this one is my camera. So I bought a Canon EOS Rebel SL2, so I think this is it. So I'm so excited to get these up in my studio, so stay tuned for that, you guys. So excited, so excited. And also Amazon Prime, because of the pandemic of the COVID-19 coronavirus, Amazon Prime isn't 2-day shipping anymore, or at least for now. Amazon Prime is 2 weeks to 3 weeks delivery days. So yeah, so it took me about 2 weeks to get these so far. I think it took me 2.5 weeks to get this, which is the lights, and I think it took me a week to get the camera. And I have another shipment coming in that is scheduled to come in at the end of May, I think May 22nd. And mind you, all of my shipments are Amazon Prime, and you know, normally Amazon Prime is 2 days. So this is how long it's taking, you guys, just to get stuff delivered during this pandemic. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to open them up, figure each and every one out, and get it set up, get my studio set up, all of that good stuff. So yeah, and I'm interested to see how this mic will work with my camera or my phone. So yeah, stay tuned for the video. Once I open it up, I'm going to show you what's actually inside. So this is what the ring light, the box I opened up for the ring light. But you guys, look how small this is. I thought a 9-inch ring light would be bigger than this. Like, that is really small, you guys. And I have a second piece in this box here. And it basically looks like it's 2 orders, but all I ordered was one 9-inch ring light. So I don't know why I'm getting these 2 itty bitty pieces of ring light. I am so disappointed. Like, what is this? I thought it would have been a big round, you know, good size ring light. So I don't know what's up with that. And also, this is my camera, the Canon EOS Rebel SL2. So the camera looks pretty standard. you know. But yeah, so I can't wait to figure this out. But the ring lights, man, like, this is so disappointing. Look at this. But what the heck is this? Is this 9-inch? Like, this is crazy. And it comes with a remote shutter, Bluetooth remote shutter. So that's the remote. Does Amazon do returns? Because I am so not feeling this ring light. Like, and it's 2 of them. I am so not feeling these ring lights here. I'm so disappointed. What is this? I thought I was gonna get a big old ring light. This can't do anything. And this one has the same thing in it as well. Well, similar, I guess. Because these ones look like it has some clamps. Has a remote as well. What is this? Remote shutter. Yeah, I'm gonna find out if Amazon does returns and send this back, because I'm so disappointed in this. Wanted something bigger, more studio like, you know. But anywho, wish me luck. So you guys, so I will be setting up my studio as I said. So yeah, looking forward to figuring these things out. Looking forward to using my camera. So yeah. Alrighty, you guys.